Hello Rithi, today I'm going to teach you how to read tabs. Tabs are very easy and many guitarists prefer tabs over annotations because tabs are very easy and tabs can also be improvised into other instruments. I will also teach you how to do that but later. So now let's get into it. So I'm assuming that you already know the names of the strings, but as a recap, let's have a look at this. Now have a look at the screen. This is the E string, then there is the A, and next to it is the D, and then there is the G, and then there is the B, and then there is the E. So that's E, A, D, G, B, E. That's the progression. So you know that. So I'm assuming that you already know what is a fret and how they are numbered. But just for a recap, I'm showing you this. So let's have a look. You know, and this is the first fret, this is the second fret, this is the third fret, and so on. So I'm assuming that you all you know all of these. So I'm going to show you something which is going to help you learn how to read tabs. Now look very carefully what is going on here. So what am I doing is that I am progressing from fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I am doing here is that I am playing the higher E string, which is also known as the first string, and it is the thinnest of all. So the numbers that I said earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, or the first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, those are also used as the number of the tabs. You know, in the tabs also the same numbers are going to being used. So when you read a tab, they are not the finger numbers, but they are the fret numbers. Remember. So this is the diagram of what I played right now. Have a look at the diagram. This is the diagram. Here you can see there is this number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and they are all in the higher E string. You can see at the top there is the higher E, which is our higher E in the bottom. So have a look at the diagram and try to figure out. And this 1, 2, 3, 4 is in ascending order and it is going this side. So this is the tab of the thing that I played right now. So previously I only played it on one string, but now I'm going to show you what will happen if I play multiple strings and how the tab is going to look like. 1, then 2 on the second string, 3 on the third string, and 4 on the fourth string. What I'm trying to say is that this one is the E string, but I'm playing the first fret of the E string. This one is the A string, I am playing the second fret of the A string. And this is the D string and I am playing the third fret of the D string. And this is the G string, I am playing the fourth fret of the G string. Now have a look at this diagram. This diagram will show you what I played here, all the strings and all the numbers that I played. Now the numbers are also in the ascending order, but there can also be descending order, which is going to be a little bit complex, which I will teach you on the next video, because there will be, you know, tabs on it and you will be learning the verse of that song. So this is basically the thing. These are what tabs are. And one more bonus thing, I'm going to give you a bonus for being such an enthusiastic person. So the bonus is known as a slide. So a slide is a trick that is used by the guitarist to make it sound even better. You know, when you are playing a verse or something like that, or melody on a guitar, when you do a slide, it sounds very cool, you know. So let's have a look at the slide. Now I'm going to play the string here and then bring it to the third fret. I'm going to do it a little bit faster. You see, slides are basically used in many songs and you might have already heard about it, or कहीं ना कहीं तुमने सुन ही लिया होगा इसके बारे में. So I'm going to show you this slide. So have a look at it.